Concatenate strings from several rows using Pandas groupby. I want to merge several strings in a data frame based on a group groupby in Pandas. This is my code so far. I want the end result to look like this. I don't get how I can use groupby and apply some sort of concatenation of the strings in the column text. Any help appreciated.
You can groupby the name and month columns, then call transform, which will return data aligned to the original DF, and apply a lambda where we join the text entries. I sub the original DF by passing a list of the columns of interest DF name, text, month, here, and then call drop underscore duplicates. Edit actually I can just call apply and then reset underscore index. Update. The lambda is unnecessary here.
We can groupby the name and month columns, then call ag functions of Pandas data frame objects. The aggregation functionality provided by the ag function allows multiple statistics to be calculated per group in one calculation.
The answer by Etchum provides you with a lot of flexibility, but if you just want to concatenate strings into a column of list objects you can also.
If you want to concatenate your text in a list,